Hello guys, my name is Joshua Sarmiento. I'm your lingkod, the vinyl collector redefined. So today, I'm gonna tell you on how to hook up this one. It's the digital TV converter box, or what we call here is the Mahiwagang Black Box. Although this is the brand RCA. Guys, this is not an ABS-CBN TV Plus. The Ang Mahiwagang Black Box branding is only under the brand of the ABS-CBN TV Plus. So we think that we are Filipinos, that this digital TV set-top box, we called this as the Mahiwagang Black Box. But in the US, they're called the converter box, of course. So as you see now, this is the analog TV that we will go to the end of an era. Yes, because we're now going forward into the brand new technology that's called a digital television, of course, guys. So I'm gonna show you the analog channels that is very blurred, and see that picture is very snowy, which is not clear because we're using the analog, of course. This is TV5, so you see that. Ooh, that's a snowy picture, okay. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you on how to hook up your Mahiwagang Black Box into your TV like this. I'm using the LG TV right now. So it is capable on connecting this device here, the black box, into your very old TV like the CRT TV. So if you have an older television that is no AV input, typically from the 80s, you'll need to purchase separately the RF modulator. The RF modulator is your companion to your very old TV, which only transmits on channel 13, which is IBC 13, while in the US and the North American standard, it's on channel 3 or channel 4, which is the selectable method. Okay. So I'm using right now this more modern LED television from LG. And I'm using this Mahiwagang Black Box from RCA right now. So these are steps. So let's explore the back of my TV. There is the F connection here, the 7.5 ohm antenna. This is what we call the Baron super antenna. So how this works? Okay, so if you have this antenna, or merely the rabbit ears, the more traditional antenna you use, so just unplug it into your TV, or from your TV, just unplug this coaxial connector and pull it out. That's easy. So we will just connect this antenna, this Baron super antenna, which is outdoor antenna, that you can also place the antenna on the top of your house to improve both analog or digital signals, just like the digital, even in analog where you're still using the analog. Yeah. So we're now on digital. We're now going toward digital technology for much more clearer pictures as we watch Teleserie, of course, on It Bulaga during Mondays through Saturdays at 12 noon. So we explore the back of our black box here. So we have the ant in, which is you can connect this antenna, whether it is bundled the digital antenna, which is bundled with your black box, of course. And also you can use this one, the Baron Super Antenna, which is, this is a standard F connector 75 ohm coaxial type. So let's do it, guys. So you just plug it in here into the ant-in port of your black box and screw it up until it gets tight. It will never pull away, of course. Just you do it in a TV on the analog method. Oops. And there you go. Next, we will gonna hook up this one. You will need this, the RCA audio video cable. Though this is bundled also with your ABS-CBN black box, or this RCA black box, or your Sharp Digicast black box. So this cable connects your box into your television set, or in your RF modulator if you're using the older television like the CRT from the 80s. And this is the more modern LG LED television that we bought last November 2015. Okay, so here is the step. Just connect this RCA cable into the audio video out of your box. So make sure it is matched. Here's the white, the red, and of course the video out. The white and red is the audio port, so let's make it matched. So this is the white one, so connect it into the white. There you go. And of course the right channel, although white is left, this red is right, so you can plug it into the right channel port. There you go. And last but not the least, this is your video port. There you go. Connection's almost done at the back of your box. And also the antenna connector. Sorry. The next step, or last step, is to connect the black box onto your TV. Okay. And it seems that you'll get ready to make a transition from analog TV to digital TV. Okay. And make sure this one is also matched. That is typically matched on the black box. It will match. Okay. Here's the camera. So here are the audio video ports of your television itself. So let's plug it in. Let's start with the yellow one. The yellow one will be your video input. So let's plug it in. The white and red are the audio ports. So let's plug it in. The left and the right. Okay. Wait a minute. There you go. There you go, guys. Connection's almost done. So let's try it. So we're gonna start. Watch the television using the digital technology. So since the TV has been plugged in, so RCA black box is not plugged in yet. So we will plug in for a moment. So let's start. So here's the LG logo itself. This is the brand of our television. Say goodbye to analog right now. Say hello to digital. The next, turn your TV, since this is a TV mode or the analog mode, so we will set it into the AV mode. So just look on your remote control to just look for the TV video button and press it and press the TV video button. So let's do it. It seems to be no signal because my box is not plugged in yet. So we will gonna plug in my black box. Start viewing our digital TV converter box or Mahiwagang Black Box. So let's plug it in. Let's do it. And there you have it, guys. Woo! Seems to be working great.
Manager na si Maya Dedito. Pinagbantaan pa ng contempt ng Senado. Magsalita ka ng katotohanan.
You see it in the picture. It's clear, finally. And also the sound quality is also clear. Because we're now going from analog to digital. Okay, so we watch GMA, ABS-CBN, and TV5, even Cinema, which is not viewable here in the RCA box, but only viewable in the ABS-CBN TV Plus converter boxes, or the Mahiwagang Black Box. It is only viewable together with Yay, the DZMM Teleradio, and the Knowledge Channel Philippines. But the GMA and ABS-CBN and TV5, also the Beam channel and the Net25, of course, that is now broadcasting on digital television format. So you'll now freely and comfortably view your favorite channel or watch your favorite channels on the digital television. So enjoy watching with your Mahiwagang Black Box. For mine, this is the RCA, or for yours, the Sharp or the ABS-CBN TV Plus. So here's how on hook up to your the digital TV Mahiwagang Black Box onto your TV set. So that's it. Enjoy watching your television. This is Joshua, the Vinyl Collector Redefined, signing out.